If you're thinking of buying an electric vehicle, but you're worried about charging it in public, you're probably considering charging it at home instead. That's completely reasonable. It's 77% more expensive for the average driver to power up their electric car at a public charging point, and the national charging network is still in its infancy, so you can't completely rely on it yet. Instead, you can buy an electric vehicle charging point for your home and charge your car's battery as you sleep. A home charger typically costs between £800 and £1,100 to buy and install, with an average price of £950. You'll usually end up paying around £550 for the charger and £400 for the installation. This process shouldn't disrupt your home in any major way. The charger will be quickly attached to an external wall or the inside of your garage and controlled with an app. You can already save £465 per year simply by choosing an electric car over a petrol-fueled vehicle. But adding a home charger to the mix increases your annual savings by another £449 on average. This means you're likely to break even on your home charging point in just 2.1 years. An excellent return on your investment. If you're a renter or you own a flat, you can also access the government's EV Charge Point grant, which will give you a discount of 75% on a new home charger, up to £350. EV charging points are getting cheaper, with mid-range models being sold for hundreds of pounds less than they were just a few years ago, and that trend is likely to continue. But if you want to invest in a home charger, now is the time. Otherwise, you'll just continue paying expensive public charging prices. Take the plunge now, and you can start racking up your savings straight away. If you'd like to see how much an EV charger would cost you, just fill in the short form at the top of the page. Simply provide a few details about your home, and we'll pass them on to our expert installers, who will send you free quotes.